Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed the textual exercises of chapter number 4. इसके साथ I got many calls saying that poem number 3 is remaining to explain. But I deliberately did it. Why? Because I wanted you to explain poem number 3 and poem number 4 together. Right? So today in this video I'll be explaining poem number 3 and poem number 4 of English textbooks. So without wasting time, let us move to our session. Now, page 48, that is Newton's gravity. Children, third chapter was about a scientist named Archimedes, right? And we found that उनको नहाते वक्त आइडिया आया that this is the amount of the displaced water is equal to what we have put on it, right? So scientists are somebody, those who have different kind of thinking towards different kind of thinking angles towards the different problems or observations. Now one such name is Newton. न्यूटन वी ऑल नो, आपने स्टडी किया है तो न्यूटन्स ग्रेविटी उन्होंने डिस्कवर किए थे. ही डिडंट इन्वेंट इट, ही डिस्कवर. ग्रेविटी इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन ऑन दी अर्थ. अगर आपको पता हो साइंस में, डिम्पल मैम ने लास्ट ईयर आपको पढ़ाया था ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स? जो अर्थ का फोर्स है टू कैच समथिंग टुवर्ड्स यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you throw the ball up, it will come down. If I throw the pen up, it will come down. वापस नीचे आता है, right? So now Newton जब तक थे, जब न्यूटन ने फाइंड नहीं किया तो उससे पहले nobody knew that this kind of thing existed. He named it. He thought about this thing. One fine day he was sitting under a tree and an apple fell down. We all know this story. This is a very famous story कि apple ऊपर से नीचे गिरा, and that made him think कि सब कुछ जो हम ऊपर डालते हैं, why it comes back to the earth, why it comes back down. And this made him discover the force of gravity which is there everywhere on earth wherever you go. लास्ट ईयर मैंने आपको स्पेस के वीडियोस दिखाए थे, इफ यू रिमेंबर. स्पेस में ग्रेविटी नहीं है. सो द पीपल हु गो टू स्पेस, कल्पना चावला, सुनीता विलियम्स, सो दे आर ऑल फ्लोटिंग, वो उड़ते हैं हवा में, राइट? बिकॉज देयर इज नो ग्रेविटी. Here it is gravity on earth, and that is the reason कि हम जो भी चीजें ऊपर फेंकते हैं that come down. Clear? Isn't that a beautiful concept to be clear? Gravity के बारे में अगर जानना है, you can explore Google. But right now we will do chapter number 3, poem number 3's explanation. That is, the poem is Newton's gravity. Now आप मेरे बाद में repeat करेंगे. You are going to read, loud reading. Hello class, I am here to tell the real story of Newton and what he didn't share. When an apple fall on his head, ouch man, that hurt, he said. Isaac Newton wondered why all things fall down from the sky. The falling apple raised a question. Why does everything fall in the downward direction, right? There is definitely a strong pull that attracts everything, and it is a rule. Bingo! Now I will call it gravity. That sounds like a complex activity. Anonymous. Anonymous, we know, if we don't know the name of the poet, we write anonymous. Now it is a very adventurous poem. The poem tells us about Newton, Isaac Newton, जैसे मैंने बोला scientist. He was once sitting down under a tree and he was thinking about something. Suddenly an apple fell down. The falling of the apple made him think कि सारी चीजें ऊपर से नीचे क्यों आती है, कोई भी चीजें नीचे से ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाती है, right? So and then he explored more about it and he understood कि जमीन के अंदर से there is some pull, कोई चीजों को खींच रहा है. And I will name it gravity. That is a complex activity. बहुत सारी चीज़ें फिर gravity से related ढूंढी गई है, लिखी गई है. So the initial point where the apple fell, that was the point he thought, bingo, there is something down the earth which is attracting this all thing, right? Shall I read it again? Hello class, I am here to tell the real story of Newton and what he didn't share. When an apple fell on his hand, ouch man, that hurt, he said. Isaac Newton wondered why all things fall down from the sky. Why everything falls down from the sky? The falling apple raised a question. Why does everything fall in a downward direction? Why nothing goes up? Why everything comes down? There is definitely a strong pull and that attracts everything, and it is a rule, right? Wherever you stand, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे घर पे गिरता है और आपके घर पे ऊपर जाता है. No, everywhere you stand on earth, you have the same gravity. Whatever it is thrown up, it will come down. So he thought that it is a rule. Bingo. Bingo is Archimedes वाले chapter में भी we had some word just like that. What was that? Eureka. Eureka. Yes, and the same way this word is bingo. Now I will call it gravity. That sounds like a complex activity, right? Understood the poem? The question answers हम लिखेंगे notebook में बाद में next week में. I'll be sending you the keys. But let us discuss if you have done this beautiful poem. Who do you think is the narrator of the poem? Now, hello class, I am here. So who tells you that? A teacher, right? So the narrator of the poem is a teacher. What did Newton wonder? वो क्या सोच रहा था? Can you see that? Isaac Newton wondered why all things fall from the sky. Newton wondered कि सब कुछ आसमान से नीचे क्यों आता है? How did Newton discover the strong pull? There is definitely a strong pull that attracts everything it's a rule, right? How did he discover this strong pull? When an apple fell down from the tree towards his head, he discovered that there is a strong pull. When do we use the word bingo? Name some in a similar expression. When do we use the word bingo? Yeah, yippee, right? What kind of words they are? When you have found something, when you are excited, when you have discovered something, right? At that time we use this kind of words. Yay, yippee, wow, right? These are all another similar expressions. So here, poem number 3, Newton's gravity. Now move to poem number 4, that is try again. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that things are not good. मैं एक बात बताऊँ आपको, जब when we started this video lessons, at that time when I started recording the videos, I was so confused कि कैसे करेंगे, बच्चे सामने हैं नहीं तो कैसे वो लोग पढ़ेंगे, how are we going to talk with each other. फिर अगर आप हमें जैसे अभी अभी 3 महीने से स्कूल बंद है, we are not having contact. We still अभी तो ठीक है, बट दैट इनिशियल टाइम पे when we recorded the videos, we felt कि बच्चे कैसे कर पाएंगे, how are we going to do. हमें अपलोड करना नहीं आता था, there were no applications I knew, right? But what we did, we tried, right? Same way you are also trying. इनिशियली जब वीडियोस आते थे तो आप समझ नहीं पाते थे, इतने सारे वीडियोस, इतने सारे टीचर्स, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, लैंग्वेजेस दे यूज, द एक्सप्रेशंस दे हैव, बट यू आल्सो ट्राइड अगेन, राइट? सिमिलर एग्जांपल, जब एग्जाम में कभी ऐसा होता है इंग्लिश में कि मार्क्स कम आते हैं, मेनी टाइम्स आई टेल यू दैट्स फाइन. अगर मार्क्स कम आते हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम गिव इट अ बेटर ट्राई, राइट? सो दिस पोएम इज अबाउट ट्राइंग अगेन. हमेशा कोशिश करती रहनी चाहिए ना, वॉट एवर द रीजन. सी इफ यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन अ कॉम्पिटिशन, दैट इज फाइन. अगर आप नहीं जीतते हैं तो, right? But that does not mean that you should lose hope and you should give up that particular competition. No. आज जैसे आपने ट्राई किया वैसे अगली बार भी ट्राई करें, वैसे दोबारा भी ट्राई करें. I'll tell you one incident when I was a young girl. I dance a lot, right? So once I was having that Navratri competition, right? Navratri celebration was there. Navratri का competition था. And from day one, I was, dressed up in chaniya choli and all, hairband and all, like, so I was dancing. So first day gaya, second day gaya, third day gaya, fourth day gaya, fifth day gaya, sixth day gaya. 6 consecutive days तक I was not given any prize. मुझे princess नहीं मिली. You understand princess, right? वहाँ पे जो the female who is the best dancer and उसका जो costume बहुत अच्छा होता है, she is awarded as the princess of that day or that night precisely. So 6 consecutive days I was not given any prize or any rank. Then to also 7th day I went again with the same energy, with the same stamina, with the same face, smiling, energetic, and 7th day I was declared as princess. राइट. सो इन शॉर्ट कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ अगर नहीं आती है या नहीं जीतते हो या नहीं करते हो तो दैट इज़ फाइन. यू शुड ऑलवेज गिव इट अ सेकेंड ट्राई. कभी कोशिश करनी छोड़नी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. राइट. चलिए, सो विल लर्न दिस पोएम ट्राई अगेन. आई विल रीड एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू रिपीट आफ्टर मी. चलिए, ओपन पेज नंबर 63. पुट द फिंगर ऑन वॉट आई एम रीडिंग. It is a lesson you should heed. Heed is सुनना चाहिए. You should pay attention. आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere is continue working, continue in the same process. You will conquer, never fear. Conquer माने जीत जाएंगे. I'll read it again. We'll read and then I'll explain, right? Sorry. Chali. It's a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, it is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folks can do, folks is low, all that other folks can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. Isn't it very inspiring poem? Chale, now let me explain it to you paragraph wise. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. Always remember. Heed is to pay attention to remember. You should always try again. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. Heed is to pay attention to. So you should always try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. जैसे मैंने बोला, अगर first try में आप succeed नहीं होते हो, that is fine. Try again. Give the next try. Then your courage should appear. For if you will perseverance continue. If you are working again and again for the same thing, very hard. आपने ऐसे जगह सपोज ऐसा हुआ कि आई डिड समथिंग, मुझे मैथ्स का एग्जाम नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया, नहीं करना, चलो, इज दैट गोइंग टू हेल्प? नो. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई शुड प्रैक्टिस दैट काइंड ऑफ सम्स अगेन एंड अगेन. 2 रॉन्ग होंगे, 3 रॉन्ग होंगे, 4 रॉन्ग होंगे, लेकिन देन यू विल सक्सीड. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई अगेन. You will conquer, never fear. Try again. Conquer माने जीतोगे. Always remember, if you are giving it a try again and again and again and again, you will be sure to win. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. क्या हुआ अगर एक बार गलत हो गया? क्या हुआ अगर एक बार सही नहीं हुआ? That is fine. Give it a second try. Give it a next try. If you would at last prevail is succeed. At last, if you are succeeding, you should always be trying. If we strive, it's no disgrace, though we do not win the race. अगर ऐसा भी हुआ, that means if we have worked hard and then too also you didn't win, so that is fine. There is no disgrace. Disgrace माने upset नहीं होना है. You don't need to get upset that if बावजूद उससे that you have tried, you have not won. That is fine if you have not done, if you have not won, right? Try again. Though we do not win the race, अगर हमने रेस नहीं जीता तो भी that is fine. Try again. What should you do in this case? Try again. क्या करना चाहिए? We should try next time. If you find your task is hard, try again. time will bring you your reward. Try again. अगर आपको लगता है the work which you are doing right now, let's say for example आपके ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, आपको बहुत बार ऐसा लगता होगा that जो मैम पढ़ाते हैं या जो मैम समझाते हैं नहीं समझ में आता है, नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो इन दैट केस क्या करना चाहिए, वीडियो वापस देखो, समझने की कोशिश करो, कॉल अप योर टीचर, ask for the guidance, right? But you should never let go anything. You should always try again. All that other folks can do, why with patience should not you? अगर सारे कर सकते हैं तो हम भी कर सकते हैं, हमारे लिए भी इजी बात है, right? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. हमेशा एक ही चीज़ याद रखो, that you should never be upset. You should never be feel devastated. Always give it a second try. इसके साथ एक और बात, अभी हाल में न्यूज़ में हम देखते हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, the hero of छिछोरे, right? That guy committed suicide. That is another part of the story कि वो suicide है या murder है, that the police investigation is going on. But in that movie छिछोरे that released last year, there was a boy who tried to commit suicide because उसके marks अच्छे नहीं आए, right? This is not the way you should live your life. Your life is very precious. So कभी भी कहीं पे भी हार होती है, don't get upset. Instead of that, tell yourself, dress up yourself and tell yourself that I should be doing उससे भी ज़्यादा मैं अच्छा करके दिखाऊंगा. I'll be trying again, right? So this poem is by T.H. Palmer. The poet's name is T.H. Palmer, right? And the poem is beautifully written by him and expressed by us. Now, as I told you कि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं दे सकती, मतलब विल डिस्कशन विल बी डन. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नेक्स्ट वीक आप नोटबुक में अपनी लिख लीजिएगा. चलिए, टर्न टू द नेक्स्ट पेज 64. What lesson should we follow according to the poem? What lesson? Try again. What does the poet mean when he says if we try it's no disgrace, right? Even if we lose, there is nothing to be feel ashamed of. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे को ऐसा था कि नहीं यहाँ मैं जीतने ही वाली हूँ, फिर भी मैं वहाँ हार गई, that is fine. That is nothing to be get upset about, right? What does the poet want to say in these lines? All that other folks can do, why with patience should not you? The poet here wants to motivate us to do something with the patience. थोड़ा सा और धीरज के साथ, थोड़ा सा और परसेप्शन कमिटमेंट के साथ, इफ़ यू विल ट्राई दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क अगेन, इट इज़ डेफिनेट दैट यू विल सक्सीड ओनली इफ यू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन विथ थोड़ा सा पेशेंस. मेनी टाइम्स वी लूज पेशेंस, वी फील दैट नहीं करना, चलो कंटाला आ रहा है, नहीं करना है, पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं ऐसा मत करो, राइट? थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो, थोड़ा सा धीरज रखो कि सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. And give it a second try. Last one, according to the poem, how can trying again and again help us to succeed? Trying again and again will make us pursue, will make us persevere and we will conquer. हमें persevere करेगा. Persevere माने continuation of the hard work we do and we will succeed. Don't worry, I'll be sending you the answer keys of this question answers of poem number 3 and poem number 4. Okay, so today I end up my session over here. Before going homework, yes, the homework आज का क्या रहेगा? Question number 2 of page 64. Very short homework. Only you have to find the rhyming words in this poem, right? Four words are given. You have to find out the rhyming words. Then write another rhyming word of your own choice. Okay, there is a twist in this. You have to write the rhyming word from the poem plus one of your rhyming words. When you need to think and write another rhyming word, right? So question number 2, page 64 आप textbook में ही करेंगे, right? चलो. So this is Disha ma'am signing off. Till we meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Don't forget to try again. Bye bye.